Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant email notifications every time someone invites you to a group board on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today I'll guide you through the updated steps to disable those email alerts quickly and easily using the Pinterest app. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Next, head over to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest page, where you can manage your account preferences. Once you're on your profile, look for the notification option and tap on it. This section controls all the alerts and notifications you receive from Pinterest. Under the notification settings, you'll see a category labeled Social. Tap on Group Board Invites within this section. This is where Pinterest manages notifications related to group board invitations. Now, you'll find a toggle switch for email notifications. Simply toggle off the email option to stop receiving those invite emails. From this point on, Pinterest will no longer clutter your inbox with group board invite notifications. And that's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications for group board invites on Pinterest. This simple change can help keep your email inbox cleaner and reduce distractions, letting you focus on the pins and boards that matter most to you. If you want to revisit this setting later, just follow the same steps to turn the email notifications back on. It's a flexible way to control how Pinterest communicates with you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Pinterest experience without those extra emails.